Welcome back to Auto Car 024. The 2025 DATSON 240Z home sedan, a modern twist on a classic design. This car brings a unique blend of retro styling and cutting-edge technology, aiming to capture the hearts of both vintage car enthusiasts and those seeking a reliable, stylish daily driver. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 DATSON 240Z home sedan stays true to its iconic roots with smooth, sleek lines and a bold, aggressive stance. The front fascia features a distinctive grille that nods to the original 240Z sports car but with a modern facelift, including sharper LED headlights and a wider bumper. The body is sculpted to maximize aerodynamics, which not only looks good but enhances overall performance. The sedan's rear end is equally stylish, with the sculpted trunk and wrap-around taillights, available in multiple colors. The car's exterior makes a statement wherever it goes. When it comes to performance, the 2025 DATSON 240Z home sedan doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a satisfying 250 horsepower. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, offering an engaging driving experience. For those who prefer a more relaxed ride, a 7-speed automatic transmission is also available. The sedan is equipped with advanced suspension systems that provide excellent handling, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. Whether you're cruising down highways or navigating city streets, this car feels responsive and agile, delivering a perfect balance of performance and comfort. Moving inside, the 2025 240Z home sedan boasts a modern yet classic interior. The cabin is spacious, offering ample legroom and headspace for both front and rear passengers. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, providing both comfort and luxury. The dashboard features a mix of digital and analog elements, combining nostalgia with the latest in tech. A large infotainment screen sits prominently in the center, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a robust sound system. The materials used throughout cabin feel premium, and the overall design is clean and straightforward, with easy-to-use controls. As for pricing, the 2025 DATSON 240Z home sedan starts at around $32,000, which is competitive for its class. With various trims available, you can expect the price to go up depending on the features you choose. But for the price, the car offers an exceptional blend of style, performance, and comfort. Overall, the 2025 DATSON 240Z home sedan is a remarkable modern sedan that appeals to a wide range of drivers. With its stunning exterior, impressive performance, and luxurious interior, it stands as a testament to how the Datsun name has evolved while honoring its classic legacy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.